If you're not familiar with social listening is a method of gathering insights from prospects and clients by tapping into online platforms that they use every day, as well as driving product development and marketing initiatives. This could be a very valuable source of information to drive your content strategy. And who doesn't need a little content inspiration every once in a while, right? Digital tools allow companies to collate comments and engagement information across social media tools. You may have also heard this referred to as social media intelligence or social media monitoring. Generally, keywords or phrases will prompt the social media tool to gather information on social interactions. Sentiment tracking is another method of social listening. There are 3 key steps to most social media listening plans. Let me take you through those. First, setting up listening streams for your company name, product brand names, and even your CEO's name. You can also do this for other important or relevant individuals within your organization. Next, create similar listening streams for your competitors. And finally, set social listening tools to hunt for industry hashtags or keywords so that you can get insights into market trends and client needs. Social listening is important because it allows tech startup companies to get insights into what their potential customers are thinking about the competition or even the industry in general. Plus, lets them know what they're saying about your company too. 2/3 of marketers state that the value of social media listening has increased in the last 12 months. One way it adds value to your company is by helping you create content to increase traffic to your business website. So how can social media listening help with your content marketing? Let's talk about that. Social media listening can give you the confidence that your content is bang on the money when it comes to what's relevant to your industry. When you see fintech hashtags that are trending, that can then prompt you to do a little bit more research and see, is this relevant to my tech offering? And if so, then prompt you to write a blog or create a video that's addressing what people are talking about online and answer relevant or frequently asked questions about this topic. Let me give you some examples of content you can create from social listening. Leveraging social media insights for better content is simple when you have a few ideas about the right content that you can create. Idea number 1, blogs that address current client pain points. When you know what clients are complaining about across an industry segment, you're ideally placed to create content that directly addresses it. You can even subtly point out how your services could be a potential solution. When you know what clients are complaining about across an entire industry segment, you're ideally placed to create content to address that. You can even subtly point out how your service can be the possible solution. Idea number 2, video responses to comments, negative or positive. If you're seeing a ton of comments about your app or website, give these people a shout out in a short video. If those comments are complaining, that's okay too. Acknowledge the mistake you made publicly and state how you're planning on addressing it. This is actually a great way to build your brand reputation and let customers and prospective customers know that you are listening, hearing what they're saying, and taking action to improve it. Idea number 3, utilize user-generated content. Finding out where people have been talking about your brand allows you to repurpose that content in many instances. Reviews, positive comments, even online peer-to-peer conversations about a great experience they've had with your brand. This is all earned media that you can share in your blogs or even in your social media posts. The final word. Social media listening and content marketing are just one aspect of creating a powerful marketing plan. Book a 15-minute introductory call with one of the Arch Collective team members. We can chat more with you about maximizing not only these tools, but all of the marketing tools in your toolkit to get the best results. And if you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.